Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is a concept luxury recreational vehicle or V that combines Ferrari's well-known high performance with the comfort and elegance of a mobile home. The goal of the concept is to provide an unmatched travel experience by combining speed, elegance, and luxury into a single package. Key features expected: excellent performance, a powerful V12 twin-turbo engine with 850 to 1,000 horsepower capability, incredible acceleration, with an estimated time from 0 to 60 miles per hour 0 to 96 kilometers per hour of less than 5 seconds. The best handling is offered by an aerodynamic carbon fiber chassis and adaptive suspension. Luxurious interior design, a Formula One-inspired interior that uses Alcantara and carbon fiber. Hand-stitched leather seats, a clever bed in the master bedroom, and a spa-like bathroom. A lavish gourmet kitchen with state-of-the-art appliances. High-powered infotainment system, large old screen, and superb sound system. Self-parking and highway autonomous driving are examples of advanced technology. Use solar panels and regenerative braking to save electricity. The SF90 Stradale and other Ferrari sports vehicles can be kept in the indoor garage. Aerodynamic Exterior Design. This car's sporty proportions and flowing lines are a characteristic of the Ferrari brand, even if it is a motorhome. To improve economy and stability at high speeds, aerodynamics was given special consideration. Modern, streamlined LED headlights and taillights with a distinctive Ferrari design. Automatically operated sliding doors for ease of use. Big rims and a lightweight. Athletic design. The exterior is tastefully adorned with Ferrari insignia. Beautiful interior. Features: ergonomic layout to maximize comfort and space. Inspired by the interiors of vintage Ferrari supercars, this handcrafted leather upholstery comes in a variety of distinctive colors. A spacious living area with a large dining table and a leather sofa. The kitchen is well equipped with modern appliances.